How to get Duolingo Max. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Duolingo Max currently starts at $30 a month in the US and 19.99 euro a month in the UK. Requirements for Duolingo Max is countries Australia, Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, UK, and United States. You can only do that in iOS. To get Duolingo Max, first unlock your iOS device and head over to your Settings app. Then tap on your name at the top of the page on your settings. Then go to the subscriptions. Then tap Duolingo. And then tap See All Plans of Duolingo. From here, if you meet all the criteria, you should see a few options for Duolingo Max. Pick your desired plan and confirm your upgrade. Then reboot the Duolingo app and you should see the Max Duo in the top right corner. And that's how you get Duolingo Max. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.